So for now, we are going to load this package dplyr, right? And now the first thing that you want to do is I want to demonstrate table underscore df object. So table underscore df object, it extends but it does not affect standard data frame operations. Okay, so when you look in each of data manipulation functions that exist within dplyr, they will return a table underscore df object. So it is worth for us to spend a little time to see what table underscore df actually looks like. So we are first going to create this object directly from an existing data frame. So I'm going to use this data frame, which is empty cars, right? So this data frame, if you want to know, you can just go to and say empty cars. But basically, if we go to the help window, and so this is a motor trend car road test. So this data was extracted from 1974 motor trend US magazine. So this is all the description of this data set, but it has 32 observations on 11 numeric values, and these are all the numeric variables, right? So these are all the numeric variables that are found within this data frame, right? So we want to create table underscore df object. Okay, so to do that, we are going to say now we have car data, and we're going to say table underscore df, and we're going to pass in empty cars. And okay, so in this case, we are getting a warning message. So that is because this function, it was deprecated in dplyr 1.0.0. Okay, so if you observe here, if we come and say car data and we run this, we observe that we have this output. Okay, and this output here is in a form of a table underscore data frame object, and we can also see that by saying this using a class function.